So hi all, this is Gautam, Orchestra Assistant Professor in the Department of Mechanical Engineer. So today we are going to see about the overview or for overall package of Total Quality Management TQM. So this is the nothing but it's a management approach to focus on the improvement for the particular process, which is continuous improvement as we discussed in earlier video. So here is the center of customer satisfaction by engaging the process, products and culture. So this is the overall just a glimpse of what is TQM. So here is the some core principles of TQM like that, some core barriers and base business of principle, etc. So here we have mentioned as a customer focus. First we have to focus on the customer needs or customer satisfaction and etc. So here we should identify and meet the customer needs consistently. We should regularly contact with the customers for improve our process or improve our quality in the particular customized product. So next one is continuous improvement as we discussed. Ongoing effects to engage the every process. We should effect to the overall process to improve the continuity. The next one is employee involvement. Here also is nothing but employers to empower the drive quality of initiatives. We should employee involvement motivation to avoid any problems or any problems like that. We should engage the environment employee involvement. Next one, process centered. We should manage the process and customize the process one by one, then followed by step 2, 3, 4, etc. Then step 1 is should focus on the what the management says. Second one is we should focus on the optimization techniques. Third one is employment involvement. Next one is process centric. So here some graphical representations are also shown here. First one is customer focus. Next one is customer focus to improvement. That next one is customer focus to continuous improvement. Then followed by the training aids. This is some glimpse of uh, core principles. So is the nothing but customer focus what we have discussed earlier. We should understand their needs, then what they are to have to identify the problem and know the current and future customer requirement. First, for example, once we decide on product to manufacture today, then the product will be manufactured today. What the next day? What about the future customer requirements? Today the customer said which will be a 5 centimeter or 6 centimeter. Next day the customer will be changed to 6.5 etc. Or needs may be changed like that. So we should understand the customer needs day by day. It's like a recent trends. What the customer needs and what their need or what our need etc. Next one is exceed expectations. Here is the straight the deliver to beyond what customer expect. Then followed by the feedback system. We should follow take a survey to feedback the all the employers working and non-working employees in the company or etc. We should take a survey for a particular product from raw material to finished product, then use the survey like how to manage it and how to work it, how the quality will be increased like that. Next one is focus groups, then follow with the complaint analysis. Once we take a survey for feedback, we should acknowledge the complaints also. This is the feedback system. Then followed by the customer centric, which is I given an example here. We have already well known about the Toyota. The Toyota is the customer centric design fuel their reliability. Just I have one small story like what the Toyota's done so far. Once the Toyota is made one car newly, the design will be thrown to the open market because they are confident and because they are quality. This is the Toyota trademark success. So this is the customer focus example. Next one is continuous improvement. Next one is continuous improvement. In continuous improvement, we should follow the philosophy like Kaizen philosophy, PDCA cycle, Six Sigma cycle. In Kaizen philosophy, there is a constant increment improvement in all areas. We should constant given the some improvements in all areas aspect. First, from the materials, raw material to finished product. Next, second one is PDCA cycle. PDCA is nothing but plan do check act cycle. We should solve the problems or we should solve the defects rates by using this cycle. Next one is Six Sigmas. This also, as we discussed earlier, reduce the defects to 3.4 million per opportunity, which is nothing but DPMO calculation, defects per million opportunity. Here the defects rate will be a minimalized like a 3.4 million opportunities in the particular part. Here also I have mentioned some example. Danaher, which is the one of the drives an electric company with systematic continuous improvement. To this implemented these three philosophy like ISAN, PDC, and Six Sigma. So this is the success of Danaher. So next one is employee approach. Employee approach is nothing but to empower the employee, like enable an employee is to solve the quality challenges. Next one is teamwork. We should take a teamwork to focus the more for more achievements, like use across functional teams for problem solving. Next one is training. We should train the employee, like what they are need, how their quality and how their language, how their attitude, etc. We should note that, then train them, teach them what we need or what we expected or what the customer expected. Likewise we should train them. Next one is recognition. Once the employees could give a good quality of the product, we should encourage them, we should recognize, like give some rewards or give some extra leave, etc. We should incentives contribution to the quality goals. So this is a process centric approach. Process centric approach is also nothing but process definition, process mapping, statistical control, and statistical monitoring. Here the process definition is nothing but clearly define the documentation what we need to the workflow in the particular part. Next one is process mapping, that is visualize the step to spot the bottlenecks. Then followed by statistic control. We have like control charts, lot of variation and control charts. You should monitor the variation for the consistent output. Here also I have some give example. McDonald's, as we have well known about the product, their standardized process with worldwide, they ensure their quality. This is a major achievement. Next followed by the implement of TQM. Here, how to implement: leadership commitment, train the programs, data driven decisions, and communication. First one is management must visible the support quality goals. Next one is educate the employees on principles and tools. Next one is data driven. We should guide the data, like various data or consumer data and measurable data. We should take a real data to the guide the improvement. Next one is communicate. Communicate is a must one. We should keep them into regular communicate. Here I mentioned communication means which is not a language. Communication. We should know what we said, what they are known in the particular parts, are to improve the parts. So this is some overall package with the improvement or careers of TQM. Here also, after implementing the TQM, what is the benefits of the customer or what is the benefits of the product? Quality improvement, customer satisfaction, cost reduction, and employee morale. This is our main motto for TQM improvement. Here also I give some examples. Motorola, still now, from starting Motorola to till now, the Motorola daily they implement the Six Sigma drives. What I have mentioned in the previous slide, like Six Sigma methodology, DPM methodology, PDC cycle, etc. So this is like a one by one process, step by step process to target the continuous improvement. This is the overall package of TQM. Thank you.